Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 4X Santoni. As you can see, this is our Santoni device. Now let's check the about phone specification. Here you can see this is the .os version 5.0.1 Android version. You will get Android version 11 in this ROM. Droid on time. As you can see, device name Santoni, code name. So we will review this ROM. .os version 5.0.0 unofficial. This is the unofficial ROM. Official is not yet released, and the Luvi checkmate kernel is installed in this ROM. So we'll review. If I get any bugs in this ROM, I will update you in the description after the video. Now here let's set the features of this ROM, and first let me tell you about the volt is working. There is no problem in the volt, while only the icon is not coming. GUI is working. As you can see, net is working, hotspot is working properly, Wi-Fi is working, so don't worry, you will not get any bug related to Wi-Fi, network connection, internet. And the Bluetooth is also working, and you can easily connect the audio devices without any problem, so you can freely use the Bluetooth. And here is the customization, some customization in this ROM. As you can see, quick customization, status bar customization, themes, system launcher grid is also available. AOD customization, here is the AOD, always on display feature does not control, feature control not supported, as AOD is not supported in our device. And here is the status bar, here is the battery, you can change the status of the battery, the style of the battery. As you can see, this is also available. As you can see, battery percentage is now approximate 7%, so that's why it is not showing. Hide battery percentage, and battery percentage is also available. As you can see, only 7% battery remaining, and the battery performance of this ROM is not good. I have tested battery performance. Battery, as you can see, enabled show clock position left right, disabled show seconds is also available. As you can see, you can disable, enable it. AM PM is also available. If you want to enable traffic indicators is also available. Threshold, here you can see net speed is also available, 10 kb to kb. As you can see, you can adjust it according to your use. Each and every feature work perfectly. Battery light is working. Charging light, notification light, AOD notification, edge lighting is also available in this ROM. Blinking and low light is also available. As you can see, low light blinking is also available. As you can see, it works perfectly. As you can see, this is the quick settings. Here is the quick settings status bar. As you can see, you can customize it. Tiles disabled, this is enabled now. As you can see, title Asian color, you can check enable tiled Asian version to better use of the Asian color in these tiles. As you can see, you can enable it. As you can see, there is a full difference. As you can see, you can control it according to your use. You can customize it according to your use. So I will not tell you about all the features. And here is the themes. Black color is also available, fully black. As you can see, here is the fully black mode. And here is the network speed. As you can see, here is the network speed not in the status bar on the PS setting. You can change it according to your use. Also, light theme, dark theme is also available. As you can see, you can apply it without any problem. And the battery performance, battery charging time is very slow in this ROM while using the hotspot, only hotspot and the internet. Our device slow charge very slow. And here is the system touch, hold to touch. You can check it according to your use. So you can check it, volume panel enable, left right, you can adjust it according to your use, so don't worry. Disable quick screenshot is also available. Normal nav bar pill customize, you can customize it according to your use. Launcher grid is also available, so don't worry. Battery performance is not best. I don't like the battery performance of this ROM. And here is the display, here is the brightness level, automatic brightness level. Here is the dark theme is also available. You can adjust it according to your use. You can customize the dark theme also, so don't worry. Here is the night light is working. As you can see, you can set the night light in the intensity also. And here is the styles and wallpapers, and the always on display is not available. Double tap to wake is working, don't worry. Asian black color ocean, you can adjust it according to your use. It works perfectly without any problem. And the sound, here is the sound performance. Sound is good in this ROM. Vibration is also working, and here is the none selected. So as you can see, sound is good, there is no problem in the sound. Touch sound is also working. Location is 100% working accurately without any problem. 22 GB storage is free, but there are few applications installed in this ROM. As the battery performance is not good in this ROM, so I don't recommend this ROM for gaming. If you play the game, your battery performance will be very poor. And let's check the fingerprint. No face unlock in this ROM. You will not get any face unlock, so only the fingerprint. Let's check the speed of the fingerprint. First let me apply the fingerprint. As you can see, fingerprint is not working in this device. Fingerprint not working. Let me apply the fingerprint once again. Fingerprint is not working in the device. Why? I don't know. There is problem in the fingerprint. I will update you after reinstalling this ROM in the description, so you can check the description also. No, fingerprint is not working right now in this ROM. I will update you, so you can check the work section in the description. And the Google account, you can easily add your account. You have to flash the open gaps. It is not included in this ROM. I have flashed the open gaps and gaps in this ROM, Android 11. All the link will be in the description. You can check the description. If you want to install this ROM, you can check the description. Installation video will be in the description. You can check. You have to simply change the files. Swap the files. You have to download this ROM file in the description also. All the files link is in the description, so you can check it. Navigation bar is not enabled in this ROM. Gestures, you can use the home screen gestures. And here is the recent app menu. Clear all is available. Screenshot is available in this ROM, as you can see. Let's say the M2 score. I will check about the memory performance and other performance in the comparison video with other ROMs. So you can subscribe our channel for daily updates. We will not check the Call of Duty. And the GPU performance 29,000, CPU 6,992, and the GPU performance is not good in this ROM, as you can see. Other ROMs approximate at 7,500, and the battery performance is very poor in this ROM, and 6.5% increase in the temperature. It also heat while charging, and the charging time is very slow, you can say. I don't recommend this ROM, and the YouTube is already installed in this ROM. Not best for Redmi 4S, but best for Redmi 5A. I have tested Redmi 5A.OS and everything works perfectly in the Redmi 5A, and the charger speed is also very well good in the Redmi 5A, not best in the Redmi 4X. So this is the camera, simple camera installed. Sorry, this is the clock. Simple camera. Sorry. Here is the camera, only the simple camera. You can flash the Google camera if you want to use this ROM, but you will get the more features in this ROM and better customization, so you can check it according to your use if you want to use this ROM. If you like the video, press the like button and subscribe our channel for daily updates.